Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we will going to be learning about how can we use merge and center in the Excel workbook. So in this particular sheet, as you can see, I have given the title employee details here. So if I want to merge all these columns so that it can be in center employee details, so what I'll do is I'll select all those columns in that particular row, and what I'll do is I'll just click here and it will do the work for me. It will automatically uh, merge all the column for me so that I can get my title in the center. Also what I can do is I can increase the size of the that title, and also I want to just change the color of the theme. Then I can select by choosing these all theme colors. So here what I'll do is I'll select this. So that's how you can merge and center all the title of your Excel workbook. So I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more updates on Excel. So take care, bye bye.